In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink duplicate comp in After Effects. So on this case, I have in here this Reddit thread from these users asking how to unlink the pre-comps after duplicating. So they have made a few different elements that are animated. They want to duplicate it and change a few things in the second pre-comp, but it changes it in the original. They tried copy pasting, but it's not working. So we're having the same problem such as this person. So in order to actually resolve this, you need to save it as a new project under a different name so that you have two AEP files. You can rename your comps by adding a number or etc. something else to avoid confusion. Then import the original project into a new project and you should be able to work from there. When you duplicate a comp, that's all that's being duplicated. So if you duplicate a circle prompt, and if it's still named as circle on a duplicated one, that means that any change that you made, either on the duplicated or the original, will be applied to both of them. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.